Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. So today we are going to make very simple and easy recipe of fish kebab. Let's check it out. So I am taking 1 lb of salmon fish, basically fish with no bones. You can take any other fish, even catfish. First clean it, remove all the scales, clean it properly. You have to take out that hard layer of the skin and then start slicing it and chop it in small pieces. Something like that. I have removed one layer of hard skin and then roughly chopping it in small sizes, and after this I am going to use a food processor or a mixer to grind it coarse, not a fine paste but at least something like this. So this is not a fine paste but coarse. And then I took 1 medium onion and inch of ginger and 4 garlic cloves. I had used food processor and grinded it as well. So mix the salmon and onion together. Now let's add spices. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 to 1.5 as per your spice level. Then there goes half a teaspoon of turmeric, then about 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, then salt as per taste, and then coriander powder about 1 teaspoon, and mix it well. And there goes black pepper, and then mix it really well. Friends, this is a very simple and easy recipe. So after that, heat up the griddle or a pan and then grease it with oil. Apply oil. I'm using kachi ghani groundnut oil. And then make small patties and put it over your pan. You can make it with your hand or take a bowl size and then tap it on the pan, giving it a shape. It will cook really quickly, less than 5 minutes. This is very simple and quick recipe. You can try it out for lunch or dinner or even snacks. Such a healthy, quick and easy recipe. Fish kebab. So within a minute or a half, it is ready to turn. So cook about 1 to 2 minutes on each side and then flip it over. You will see the color golden brown. If you don't find salmon, you can use any other fish as long as there's no bones in it. So as you can see, less than 5 minutes and our fish kebabs, delicious fish kebabs are ready. Have it for your next home party or lunch or dinner. This is an awesome snack recipe or a meal altogether. Squeeze some lemon and enjoy. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoy the recipe.